Hello guys, welcome to Tech House channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the recent leaks and rumors of Galaxy S21 series. Before getting into the video, make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the regular updates in the future. It is pretty much confirmed from the head and the president of the Samsung that the successor of the Galaxy S20 series, that is Galaxy S21 series, will be launched in early January 2021. As usual, there will be 3 phones introduced in the S21 series, such as S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra, which will be the high-end smartphone from the Samsung for the year 2021. The S21 series will be rocking Snapdragon 888 in some of the region and Exynos 2100 in most of the region of the world. This time Exynos 2100 is supposed to be much improved, that it will give neck-to-neck competition to the Snapdragon 888. It is rumored that the Note series from the Samsung will be discontinued from this year, and Samsung Galaxy S21 series will support S Pen features in some of the phone. Samsung S21 and S21 Plus will have Full HD Super AMOLED display, while S21 Ultra will have Super AMOLED Quad HD display. Samsung Galaxy S21 series will support high refresh rate of 120Hz and 240Hz in the Ultra phones. It is supposed that there will be some price drop in S21 series, as there will be no charger adapter and earbuds in the box content. There will be improvement in the camera of the S21 series. The S21 and S21 Plus will have triple camera setup at the back, 12 megapixel for primary shots, 12 megapixel for ultra wide and 64 megapixel for telephoto zoom. The Galaxy S21 Ultra will have quad camera setup at its back, adding 108 megapixel sensor. These are the recent leaks and rumors of Galaxy S21 series. S21 is nearly confirmed that it will be launched in early January 2021. Let me know guys if you are excited for the S21 series. Comment down your thoughts and expectation from the S21 series. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. If you have enjoyed watching this video, drop us like down below and subscribe the channel.